Hey Brian Bingles, it's Miss Mars again with another fruit challenge for you today. If you remember last week, we used two different fruits to help us say some different patterns in music. And right here, I actually have our same two fruit from last time. So let's review what we already know. We have this beautiful green pear, and when we clap the word pear, pear. It only has one sound, or one syllable, and look, it only takes up one box. Then we have another pear with one sound. Then we have this delicious, crispy red apple. And when we clap apple, apple. We clap two times because apple has two syllables, or in music, it's going to have two sounds. And look, the apple still only takes up one box. And then to end, we have pear again. But I'm going to try and challenge you today to see if you can say it with my drum beat today and say it with Miss Mars. Let's get our hands ready and let's get it to rock and roll. 1, 2, here we go. Pear, pear, apple, pear. How was that? You could do it? That was too easy, wasn't it? Oh, okay. And then if you remember from last time, we also, we made it more difficult by putting not just 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, but then we're going to read it like a book and jump down to this 5th box down here. And we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's see if you can say this one with Miss Mars. Good luck. Here we go. 1 and 2, use those hands. Pear, pear, apple, pear, pear, apple, pear, pear. Nice! Okay, try to make this next one more challenging for you. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Pear, apple, apple, pear, apple, pear, pear, pear. How'd you do? Okay, gonna make it harder now. 1 and 2 and good luck, go. Apple, 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 pear. Apple, pear, apple, pear. Okay, that might have been too easy. I see some more apples and pears. Let's try this one. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Apple, apple, pear, pear. Pear, pear, apple, pear. Okay. Okay, that's pretty good. Oh, look at all the apples in this one. See if you can say those two sounds on one box. Ready? And 1 and 2, here we go. Apple, 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 pear. Did you make it to the last pear like I did? Very good. Oh, wait a second. Wait, now I don't see apples and pears anymore. You know what I see? I see grape. I see grapes. And I see kiwi. Huh. I wonder which one you're going to clap 1 time for, and which one you would clap 2 times for. Let's see. Let's see here. Okay. Let's clap the word grape together. Ready? Here we go. Grape. Did you only clap 1 time like Miss Mars? Okay, so grape has 1 sound, and let's see about kiwi. Here we go. Ready, go. Kiwi. So kiwi is like our apple. It has 2 sounds, and grape is like our pear with 1 sound. So let's challenge ourselves with some new fruit today and get those hands ready. Here we go. 2. Here we go. Grape, kiwi, grape, grape. Kiwi, kiwi, grape, grape. Woo! That messed up my brain seeing those different fruit. Oh, here's some more. Here we go. 1, 2, grapes are now. Grape, grape, kiwi, grape. Kiwi, grape, kiwi, grapes. Okay, I got one more for you today, and I'm hoping this is the most challenging, hardest one you've ever seen in your entire life. See if you can do it. The last one. 1 and 2 and kiwis now. Kiwi, kiwi, grape, grape. Grape, grape, kiwi, kiwi. Oh, was that still too easy for you? So next week I'm going to have to make it even harder. I don't know how Miss Mars is going to do that, but you know what I would love to see is if you have come up with your own fruit or even vegetable rhythms, you could tweet them out to Miss Modderstock and Miss Mars and even Bryant Elementary so everybody could see. Use that hashtag Bingo Pride and tag one of your music teachers, and we would love to use your rhythms next week to challenge our students. Have a great week. See you next time.